Hi there. In 2015, a company called Smacircle formed with the goal of producing convenient, short-distance transportation solutions for people in small towns or inner cities. After 2 years of development, they're almost ready to start the Smacircle S1. The S1 relies on throttle power alone, so it could be called a sit-down scooter. Regardless, this is one nifty machine that pushes the limits of low weight and extremely compact dimensions. Thanks to its compact components and carbon fiber frame, the S1 weighs just 15.4 pounds. The solid, shock-absorbing wheels are 8 in diameter, the pedals are simple fold-out platforms, and the seat is basically a padded tube. The S1's 240 watts brushless motor drives the front wheel with enough juice to hit 12 miles per hour. The 36 volts, 5800 mAh Samsung battery is hidden in the seat, and locks to the bike to prevent theft. The battery fully charges in 2.5 hours, and conveniently plugs into any standard wall socket. The S1 uses an electric brake to bring you to a halt. The brake is activated with the touch of a button at the left grip, and it slows down the motor itself to stop the bike within 13 feet from full speed. For riding at night, the S1 has a front light integrated into the stem and side lights built into the seat. In lieu of an integrated display unit/controller, your smartphone mounts on the back side of the stem. The bike automatically connects via Bluetooth when your phone is within range, and a USB charger keeps your phone powered while you ride. The iOS and Android-compatible app also allows you to adjust the bike's top speed, adjust the light's intensity, track your rides, and lock and unlock the bike. Thanks to you watching. Bye.